What is cohesion in essay answers? Imagine trying to follow a story where the sentences jump from one idea to another without any connection. It would be confusing and hard to understand. That's why cohesion is so important in essay answers. It makes your writing flow smoothly and keeps your ideas linked together. When you write an essay, every part should work together like pieces of a puzzle. Cohesion helps the reader see how your ideas fit and support each other. At the start of your essay, you usually have a clear thesis statement. This is your main idea or argument. Then each paragraph should focus on a specific point that supports your thesis. To keep everything connected, use topic sentences at the beginning of each paragraph. These sentences tell the reader what the paragraph is about. Transition words like however, therefore, or for example act like bridges, guiding the reader from one idea to the next. Within paragraphs, cohesion is built by making sure each sentence relates to the one before it. For example, if you talk about the benefits of studying early, the next sentence should add more details or examples about that benefit. Repeating keywords or phrases also helps reinforce your main ideas without sounding repetitive. Using pronouns like it, this, or they refers back to earlier ideas, making your writing more natural and less cluttered. Transition words and phrases are especially useful because they show how ideas are connected. For example, in addition adds more information, on the other hand shows contrast, and because explains cause and effect. Sometimes you can replace a word or phrase with a shorter one if the meaning is clear, which keeps your writing concise and flowing. Good cohesion makes your essay feel like a conversation rather than a list of disconnected points. It helps the reader follow your thinking easily and understand your argument clearly. When preparing for exams, focusing on cohesion means organizing your ideas logically, using topic sentences, and revising your work to improve flow. This makes your answers more persuasive and easier to understand, which can boost your overall test scores. So, in simple terms, cohesion in essay answers is about making sure all parts of your writing are linked together. It's the glue that holds your ideas in order and guides the reader smoothly from start to finish. When you master cohesion, your essays become clearer, more organized, and more convincing. That's how you turn a good answer into a great one.